gold USD price opened the month with a bullish week but failed to maintain momentum after Powell's hawkish speech. The current fundamental outlook is positive for the US dollar, which could result in a bearish monthly close in gold. The gold USD price remained steady above the 1885 critical support level and doubt a strong bounce from this level. However, it created resistance at the 1925 level, from where a downside pressure came on last Friday. As per the weekly chart, the price is trading below the 20 SMA level, whereas a bullish weekly candle above the 1935 level could indicate a negative momentum. The upward pressure may extend toward the 1950 critical level in that case. As per the previous weekly candle close, the downside pressure is potent in this pair, where a bearish pressure below the 1885 level could lower the price to the 1850 psychological level. In the daily price, the bullish correction has lost momentum as the price moved below the 1920 level. As the current D1 chart faces bearish momentum from the 20-day EMA, a bearish candle below the 1900 level could push the price even lower.